Hello, coming with the second video about C programming. This time completing the first one with some things that I didn't say there. The first one is about my history with computer science. I actually have a master's degree in computer science, more specifically on algorithms. Last year I started a PhD on artificial intelligence. Now I'm trying to get back to it. It's a strange story. I don't know if I will get to continue that or not. About our main subject, that is the program. One thing that I didn't mention back then is that you have special characters in text output. The most important of them is the line breaker that you use when you end the line and start when you want it to be displayed like this. Well, as you can see there, you write that as a backslash and then there are some other special characters, more details that I will discuss later. Another thing that I didn't mention clearly is about the relationship to math functions. You can see here that this function doesn't have an input, doesn't have an output clearly written, so it looks like a function that maps nothing to nothing. So it's just an empty set which makes no sense. But you can see there's a function from anything to your text output. But well, it's just a way to conceptually framing things. It's not very important in a practical sense when you write programs. And there's the most important thing that I've missed in the last video, is that you need not only to write your program, but you need to know how to build it and run it. Well, this environment I have here is Ubuntu 20.10. Here you can use the GNU C compiler. In Windows you can use it too. You have other options on how to do it. I have done it many times, programming C and C++ in Windows. The most common option to do it there is using Visual Studio. Here you can type GCC, use your file name as a parameter, -o to sign you're gonna write output parameter, the name of your output file, and compiled. You run it by typing / your file name, and there it is. Next time I will dive really into the inputs and outputs. Please note that I haven't said anything real about inputs. This program doesn't take anything from the user. So next time I will talk about variable types, where you can store something related to the input from the user, and how to output those variables to the command line. That's it. I hope to see you on the next episode.